Updating your legal name on XM is an important process that ensures your account reflects your current identity. Follow these steps to complete the update efficiently. Step 1. Gather required documents. Collect all necessary documents that prove your legal name change. This may include a marriage certificate, divorce decree, or court order. Step 2. Log into your XM account. Access your XM account by entering your credentials on the official XM website. Ensure you are using a secure internet connection. Step 3. Navigate to the profile section. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Submit name change requests. Locate the option to update your name. Fill out the required fields with your new legal name and upload the supporting documents you gathered earlier. Step 5. Confirm and wait for approval. After submitting your request, confirm the changes. Monitor your email for a confirmation message from XM regarding the approval of your name change. Once you have completed these steps, your legal name on XM should be updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to XM customer support for assistance.